saw some sheep. Yeah, I saw some bear. On your left there, someone is keeping sheep over here, man. They don't give a shit. You know, look at that, man. Look at that. Yeah? Look at that, man. See how high we are. How high? Sky high. It's like we're in the sky, man. Omwami 360. Sorry about that. The thing just went off, man. I think I need a new GoPro now. Yeah, look at the houses there, man. I think the sun glare is too much. But the houses here are mansions, man. This is Kasarta Drive. Sounds like Kashata, which is some sweet kind of, I don't know what you call it. It's like an African chocolate or something like that, you know. It's a sweet, it's like a confectionery made of coconuts and all the other sweets. It's called Kashata. And this is Kasarta. Or Kasata or Kaserta. Yeah, Kaseta Drive. Southeast of Melbourne. Yeah, we keep going. Let me go and look at the sheep up there, man. I saw some sheep. Yeah, I saw some bear. On your left there, someone is keeping sheep over here, man. They don't give a shit. So you can see how the yards, I call them compounds. The yards are nicely manicured, you know. Yeah? That's dope. This is Harkaway, guys. Harkaway, here in southeast of Melbourne, Australia. This guy needs to decide if he's going or not, because I'm going, man. A tradie is just Lemak. We'll just go up Lemak, because that goes on to a dead end, the other one. So this is how Harkaway looks, man. Harkaway, one of the high-end areas in Melbourne. Big compounds, big yards, nicely manicured lawns, and yeah, the whole full menu. And then it's on the hills, you know. Look at that, man. Look at that. Yeah? Look at that, man. See how high we are. How high? Sky high. It's like we're in the sky, man. This is Harkaway, guys, on Omwami 360 on a Tuesday afternoon. Time right now is 5 minutes to 4. And we are here in Harkaway. I'll just go down this way. I don't want to go against the sun, man. It's annoying. Yeah, now this time I just have to go this way. This is Harkaway. I think the other side is where the bigger houses are, and then here is like more of you know, the middle class ones. But they're still big, trust me. They're not like small. They're just like smaller than the other ones. But they're big houses. These are like mansions next to each other, mixed up with townhouses. This is Harkaway. Harkaway, guys, Harkaway. Very nicely arranged. So we're on Sheldon Drive. Sheldon, like that guy for, I think, there's a comedy, I've forgotten the name of that comedy. There was a guy called Sheldon. Crazy guy. Sheldon Drive, guys, here in Harkaway. Just hold on for a bit. Sorry guys, there's no one behind me, so I'm not blocking, I'm not obstructing anyone. Alright, I'll just take a left. This is Hessel Road, Hessel. This area now looks like Berwick, more like Berwick than anything else. So this should be Anstwanki. Subject confirmation. I'm just driving out of Hessel Road. Now I'm on Anstwanki Road. This is now Berwick, guys. This is definitely Berwick. I'll just go into Hagen Drive so that I explore more of this Berwick or Narewaren. Guys, please correct me if I'm getting the name all wrong, please, because we're exploring these areas together. So this is now Hagen Drive, Hagen. Let me go this way. Telford Drive, guys. This is like Berwick, Narewaren area. Telford Drive. Still here in Narewaren, guys. So we're just gonna take a right. And then we're gonna take Kuranda.